I'm here to share with you one of my favorite summer drinks. It's a non-alcoholic mojito. I love mojitos. Okay, all you'll need is lots of mint leaves, my favorite, a little bit of lime juice, some raw sugar, some club soda or sparkling water, whatever you have, and some ice. And then we garnish it up with a little extra lime. But to start, you want to put your mint leaves in a glass and muddle them a little bit. Push them down, muddle them up a little bit. Oh, it smells so good. I love the smell of fresh mint. Okay, and then a little bit of your lime juice, fresh squeezed lime juice, and a little bit of the raw sugar, and muddle it up a little. There you go. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, and then you add your club soda in. Great. And then you pour it over ice. Oh, so good. My favorite drink. It's a little minty. Woo, great. And there you have a non-alcoholic mojito.